let's just wait on it. Let's just wait on it. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna be trying out a few new things, but it's not gonna be a lot of new things. It's just, they're not like super new. It's just stuff that I've never tried before, like myself. So I am gonna be trying out the Wow Brow. And this one's in neutral brown, and this one is from e.l.f. You guys know that I love the one from Essence. That one's really good. I've used it for a really long time, but I do want to try newer things. So I'm just trying to branch out and see what it is that, you know, is out there. Okay, so this is not a new product to me either. This is actually something that I've used before. I love this e.l.f. Hydro, or what is it? I picked this up in a lighter shade. This one's in light beige. The one that I do have is in the shade medium sand. This one is a little bit more on the peachier side compared to this one. I think this one's more like yellow tone. Hopefully my eyebrows don't look crazy, because I used a thicker brush this time. It's not the one I usually use. This one's a little bit thicker. Today I'm gonna be using this palette from LA Girl, and this is the Pro Mastery palette. This eyeshadow palette is so pretty. It comes with a big mirror, and it comes with all these shades. So very pretty pinky mauve tones. I like this palette. It's actually really pretty. So I'm gonna use, I guess I'll use the mirror from this. I'm not like a huge fan of using like mirrors from palettes. I feel like they just weigh down my hand. Like I don't know if that's just weird, but to me, like, I hate it. Like, so the first shade I'm gonna be taking is called Skills, and I'm gonna tap off the excess. I don't know if you can see there that it does have quite a bit of kick up, and I'm gonna just take that all the way up to the brow, just to mattify the brow where I placed the concealer. You know what, might as well just take it all the way down, right? Why not? So this shade here, it's like a peachy, pinky, rosy color. Alright, so now going in with the shade Pretty. I'm going to use this shade to pack on the outer third of the eye in circular motions. Bringing it in the inner part of the eye and dragging it in. in with Maven on a Jeffree Star JS12 brush, and I'm gonna pack this on the outer third of the eye. Let's see if this one shows up. And you can see there that the shades are building pretty nicely. This eye needs to be worked on a little bit more, so I'm going to go back in with Pretty and kind of just build that color up a little bit. And then I'm going to go back in with the shade Conquer, which is the peachy shade. And I'm going to go around all the edges and just bring back that peachy shade to life, because I feel like it has been, you know, a little bit covered up, and we want to have that shade peeking through the tops of these darker shades. I'm going to take this shade here in the corner. Look at how pretty that is. For lashes today, I'm going to be using the style Saucy from Batty Bee Lashes, and we're just going to pop these on. Alright, so I did pop on the lashes off camera, and I've never tried these lashes before, and they are pretty stunning. I love the way they look. So with the LA Girl setting spray, I have used it before. I don't think I've used it on camera. I'm not too sure. I have to go back and look at my videos and let you know if I have used it, or maybe if you have seen me use this on my channel, then just go ahead and comment down below. Yes, you have used it on your channel, but I have used it off camera, and I do like this setting spray. And I also love the Morphe Luminous setting spray. This one is fix and set makeup for extended wear. I'm going to use it underneath my makeup just so that way it lasts. And I do like that it comes with 2 caps, so you know, 1, 2 caps. That's pretty cool. And I'm just going to spray my face. If you don't have one of these, you should invest in one. They are definitely worth the money, and they're not that expensive either, so that's a good thing. My skin is prepped. I'm not going to go in with anything else because I don't want my face to feel heavy. I'm going to go in with this OG foundation from L'Oreal. This is a back in 2015 or 16 foundation. This foundation is so good. It's so matte. You're not going to need any type of setting powder on your skin because this baby is matte. It gives you all the coverage you need. The only downside about this foundation is, of course, it smells like paint, but I feel like nowadays all foundations have some sort of scent to them, so it's no biggie. The scent doesn't linger. Alright, and then you guys already know I'm going to go in with the new shade that I picked up. And, oh, how about that? Little ASMR moment there. We used to say that back in the day. It was like a thing. Like, I remember we used to always say it in school, like, and it, now that I think about it, it sounds so dumb. But yeah, like I was saying, like back in the day, everybody thought it was cool to say that, so everybody would say since the eyeshadow is more on the like mauve side, more cool tone side, we're gonna go in with a cool tone contour shade. And I'm gonna just be using this Park Avenue Princess palette, and I'm gonna go in with the shade Carrot, and we're just gonna contour. It might be coming off warm, but probably because I didn't use a clean brush, but that's okay. No worries. Okay. And with this shade here, and then I'm going to go in with the peachy shade here, and we're going to smoke out that. Okay, so for blush, I'm going to go in with this Born to Blush Believe Beauty Born to Blush in high tea, and I'm just going to be taking it on a Morphe M401 and swooping that on the apples, going up to the back just to have more of a lifted effect. And then this is what the shade looks like. It's so pretty. Like, you cannot say that that shade is not a stunning shade. I love it. It's pretty, like $5 or less. Can't beat that. And then for the highlight, I'm gonna use this Revolution, what is this, the Revolution Glass Mirror Illuminator, and this one's in the shade, I don't know. The lips will go ahead and go in with this lipstick from Beauty Creations, and this is in the shade Sugar Bomb. And I saw this shade and I was like, I have to have it, so let me swatch it right here. That's the shade right there. It's so stunning. Did any of you guys order the Selena collection? I know I did. I'm excited. I already got the highlighter, but it came separate from the other stuff that I ordered, so I don't want to mess with it right now. I'm just leaving it in the box where it's at, where it's safe. Okay, and then for the center of the lips, I want to lighten it. For the center of the lips, I'm going to go in with Barely Naked from Beauty Creations, and these lipsticks are super creamy. Alright, and then for lower lash mascara, we're just gonna go in with the Lash Princess from Essence, and I love this mascara. If you haven't tried this mascara, definitely pick it up. It's very inexpensive. I'll go ahead and link it down below. You can pick it up on the Ulta website. Okay, and last but not least, we're going to go ahead and set the face with the LA Girl setting spray and just cover your hair. And I'm using a generous amount just because of the fact that this foundation is very drying on the skin, so just want to give it a little bit more moisture, if that makes any sense. Alright you guys, well that concludes everything for this video. I hope that you guys enjoyed watching me create this look. Thank you for tuning in. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will be seeing you guys in my next video.